My name is Alan Murphy. I'm the senior partner with Gillespie Murphy. I want to talk to you about Social Security. We do bankruptcy, but we also do Social Security disability. What we try to do is help people get their benefits. It might be Social Security disability or it might be SSI, which is Supplemental Security Income. If you've worked and you have enough credits, you can apply for Social Security disability if you cannot work any longer. If you haven't worked, for whatever reason, whether you're young or just haven't been able to hold a job steady, you still may apply for Social Security benefits, but it's, again, Social Security Supplemental Income. Still can help you and get the benefits you need to support you and your family. I'll tell you a little bit about the process. Normally, when you're applying for Social Security, you'll contact the Social Security office. You can either go to the office directly and fill out the application, or you can go online. You go online, you fill out the application. Here's the unfortunate part. Most likely, you're going to be denied. But don't give up. You're going to be denied twice, but don't give up. There is hope, and we'll help you with that. Once you've been denied, come see us. What we'll do is we'll sit down with you. I'll spend about an hour, hour and a half. I'm going to ask you about your disability. I'm going to ask you about your situation. I'm going to look at your Social Security documents. We're going to talk about your entire situation related to your finances as well as your disability, why you can't work and why you need your benefits. We're going to help you appeal those denials if you need it. Once we do the appeal, then we'll start gathering your medical evidence, gathering your medical records, because that's going to be key to your case. We've got to show the administrative law judge and the Social Security Administration that you cannot work, not because you just say you can't work, but because your doctors also say you can't work. You may have had MRIs, you may have had x-rays, you may have had tests, you may have had surgeries. We have to put all that information together to prove your case. Improving your case is important, because what we're preparing for after those denials is a hearing. You'll have a hearing before an administrative law judge. It may be a man or a woman, and they are actually appointed by the government, Social Security Administration, to hear your case, to listen to you, to review your evidence. And our goal is to put that evidence together in such a way that they will see that you are disabled and you are actually should receive your Social Security disability benefits. Preparing for that hearing is important. Not only will we gather the records for you, we'll help you prepare for that hearing. We'll meet before the hearing. I'll talk to you about questions you'll be asked. I'll talk to you about how to dress for the hearing, how to prepare for those questions. Because we want to go to that hearing with the evidence we need, with your testimony in place, so when that judge hears your situation, reviews your medical records, that judge will determine you are disabled and you will win and get your benefits. That is the goal, to go to that hearing prepared to get your benefits. Because you deserve those benefits, you need those benefits, you have worked for those benefits, you should get those benefits. Call us, let us help you prepare for that appeal, prepare for that hearing to get your benefits. Call us at Gillespie Murphy. Again, I'm Alan Murphy with Gillespie Murphy.